Madam.
Next.
My lord, I am for the petition. I am for the petitioner. Shuddha acho?
State.
My lord. My lord, in this matter, my lord, the case in a nutshell, petitioner pursuant to the call of the authority is, my lord, estate manager Kollani, my lord, deposited salami by check for allotment of land. My lord, if my lord kindly turn page number 23. Page number 23. This is, my lord, check of 1967. Petitioner has
20.
page number 23.
There are two. Yes.
My lord, it is a check, my lord, of 1967. Petitioner have deposited, my lord, salami money for allotment of land. Thereafter, my lord, if my lord, during this time, my lord, 1967, during this time, my lord, while the petitioner, my lord, traveling, unfortunately, my lord, all the original documents has lost. If my lord kindly turn to my lord's 27 page, kindly, my lord, that is, my lord, the GD. All the documents which are actually public record has been lost from my custody. My lord, next annexures is the RTI, the representation gradually next accordingly. But I have asked the authority kindly supply me the documents of the original lease agreement or others documents relating to the land. The authority, as usual, not supplied. They have not replied. Very well. Now, my lord, when the authority, my lord, has not taken any action, my lord, I have approached this honorable court. My lord, if my lord kindly come to annexure page 38, when the land has not been handed over, even after depositing of the, my lord, salami money, and the documents also not given as per my RTI, petitioner approached before this honorable court. And before this honorable court, my lord, at the second stanza I am reading, having considered the submission made on behalf of the parties, my lord, may I read, my lord?
Yes.
Material on record, I dispose of the writ petition with a direction upon the respondent number 1, that is, my lord, estate manager, to consider and dispose of the application filed by the petitioner dated such and such within a period of 2 months from the date of receipt of this order, after affording opportunity of hearing. This is very important. After affording opportunity of hearing to all the affected parties, including the petitioner, in accordance with law. This is also very important. Now, my lord, before I invite my lord straightway to the, my lord, impugned order, I want to rely, my lord, 2 paragraphs of my writ petition. 2 paragraphs. My lord, kindly come. Paragraph number 2. Petitioner have stated, my lord, on oath before this court. I am reading paragraph number 2. That the petitioner states that he applied through the respondent number 1, that is estate manager, for allotment stroke lease of plot number such and such, block such and such, sub block such and such at Kollani town, district Noida, which was leased out. I have specifically stated which was leased out and allotted to him by, my lord, kindly underline this portion, by allotment number such and such, 1967. And according to the petitioner, deposited the salami or premium that I showed, my lord, check of the at the office of the respondent authority, by check number such and such, 1967, for the said plot such and such, hereinafter referred to. Now, my lord, kindly come to, my lord, paragraph number 3. That is also very important, which I have stated on oath.
This agreement was executed.
Yes, my lord, that is my point. My lord, that the petition, I am reading paragraph number 3, my lord, that the petitioner states that although the lease agreement was executed between the respondent authority and the petitioner on 21st March 1967. That is very important. That's why, my lord, I read the document paragraph about the said lease till the possession has not been handed over. My lord, pursuant to my lord's order, this honorable court's order, my lord, hearing was taken. If my lord, before straightway, my lord goes to the impugned order, if my lord kindly come to page number 40, that is my written statement, written submission, which I have, my lord, submitted at the time of hearing before the authority. My lord, if my lord kindly see paragraph number 2 and paragraph number 3, the same thing I have stated. The lease agreement executed by such and such number and executed on such and such date. Now, my lord, kindly come to the impugned order. My lord, page 69. Kindly see the arbitrariness, my lord, of the authority. page 16. My lord, kindly do not, if my lord asks me what is the date of the order, I cannot say. Because my lord, it is a cryptic order. I do not know whether the order has been created or manufactured after the hearing concluded or not. Because it is undated order. Kindly see, my lord. I am reading, my lord. Whereas it appears that the writ petitioner filed an application before the estate manager Kollani on such and such date and getting no relief from the estate manager Kollani, the writ petitioner, that is Tapash Kumar Bagchi, me, being every filed a writ petition, that is, my lord, that writ petition before the honorable court. Now, my lord, they set out the order, my lord's order. Now, my lord, come to the next page. So it is, my lord, undated order. Next page, my lord, page 17. Next paragraph. Seen the petition dated such and such, in which the writ petitioner has stated that the plot number such and such, block such and such, sub block such and such was allotted to him by memo number such and such. That is that memo which I just, my lord, showed at paragraph number 2, and I have already stated in my writ petition. So they have, my lord, recorded this submission.
Your submission.
Yes, they have recorded my submission, but
Not
that
your
has not been considered. That is my point. Now, my lord, kindly come next order, my lord. First order is undated. Next order, my lord, order number 2, dated 27th October 2021. My lord, this line is very important. Case record is put up today. The writ petitioner and his learned advocate appears and files hajira. My lord, kindly underline this portion, because, my lord, I have been called for in the hearing. I appeared with the learned advocate. Next, my lord, next page, kindly come, my lord, page 71. The learned advocate of the writ petitioner submit a prayer for time. Time prayer is allowed. Next date is such and such. Next order, my lord, order number 3, dated 3rd November 2021. CR is put up today. Again, I have been called for in the hearing, so it is recorded that the learned advocate on behalf of the writ petitioner appears and files hajira. I have been called, my lord. The learned advocate files written statement, which is in the part of the proceedings. DA, please place the case record for final hearing. Now, kindly come, my lord, next order. Order number 4, 27 December 2021. Case record is put up today. The writ petitioner was appeared with his learned advocate and files hajira. So I have been called, my lord, and I have duly appeared. Now, my lord, next, seen the written statement which I have submitted, page 40. But I cannot show, my lord, there is reflection that they have seen and thereafter they have considered my written submission. I cannot show, my lord, because this is not written in the order, my lord, impugned order. Next, my lord, 72 page, which have been submitted by the writ petitioner, which is the part of the proceedings. In the instant case, the writ petitioner claims deposition of salami at the office of the estate manager Kollani by the check number such and such. The said receipt copy reflects payment of rupees 914 on searching office record, that is lease registered. It appears that writ petitioner then deposited 10% of total salami, which was mandatorily to deposit at the time of submission of application from application for obtaining leasehold right of plot number, that is the earnest money.
No,
So they are,
final order has been passed as yet.
yes, my lord.
Final order has not been.
No,
passed
I'm
as
showing,
yet.
my lord. I'm coming gradually, my lord. Final order has been passed, but it is, I'm showing, my lord. This is very important. That's why, my lord, I'm reading. So they are relying, my lord, upon their document. But I have on RTI an application seek but a sought for information. Kindly supply me the document. I have lost, unfortunately.
No,
They have
they
not
relied
supplied.
on your document, the copy of check.
Yes, yes,
It was 9 something.
yes, yes, yes. I have deposited. That is my case. I have deposited salami, and I also stated, my lord, my lease agreement has been executed.
You have deposited part of the salami, not the entire salami.
Very well, my lord. Very well. Very well. Very well. Now, my lord, I am reading, my lord. Continuing, my lord. Submission from obtaining leasehold right, plot number such and such. It also appears from the lease register that amount of earnest money such and such. Since the payment, no further payment history is reflected at the lease register. Therefore, it can be concluded beyond doubt that only earnest money regarding the allotment of plot number such and such of Kolani Township is paid by the mentioned check number. Nothing more than earnest money is paid. Very well. They have, my lord, concluded their conclusion, my lord, based upon their register, my lord. Next is very important. So it can be concluded that as per clause 3 of the lease agreement, at least, my lord, kindly pause. If my lord asks me question, they are. No, I'm coming, my lord. I'm coming, my lord.
Mentioned matters are taken up from 12:30. So
But
Mr.
kindly,
Pai is
give me
objecting
5
to-
minutes, my lord. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I have concluded. Just conclude, my lord. 5 minutes, my lord. It can be concluded that as per clause number 3 of the lease agreement at least, my lord, I cannot say which lease agreement they are mentioning. Kindly see, it is a cryptic. Because here, my lord, lease agreement, if applicable, the lease agreement of 1967 is applicable, not any subsequent lease agreement. But they are vague in their order that which lease agreement they are mentioning for. Lease 1/3 of the premium of salami has not been paid within the stipulated time of frame of 2 months from the date of acceptance of the offer. Even the said amount along with stipulated amount in the interest mentioned in the clause 3. Again, they have not mentioned which lease agreement. So it is a cryptic. The prior for leasehold right had not been paid within the statutory period of 6 months from the date of acceptance of the offer. So, by virtue of the operation of clause 3 and clause 2 of the lease agreement, no lease agreement mentioned. Which lease agreement? The amount of money deposited, earnest money, was forfeited. Very well. Therefore, no longer there has been any relationship between the allotee, that is Tapan Kumar Bagchi, me, the governor of the West Bengal, exists as prior or payee. Now, my lord, kindly the last page, my next page, my lord. Now is very important. However, it is found that a field inquiry was done previously and no trace of building was found. My lord, which field inquiry they are asking, telling for, mentioning for? Who has, my lord, conducted this field inquiry? Whether I have been, my lord, summoned, I have been given notice before this field inquiry, my lord? Whose land has been inquired, my lord? I do not know. This suspicious, my lord, field inquiry report has not made part of this order. Kindly consider. They are mentioning for a inquiry report, suspicious inquiry report. I was not present at the time of such inquiry, my lord. Whose land has been inquired? So, a current field inquiry is required for taking the land in custody of the EM, estate manager. DA, please hand over the prior of the. So, a suspicious lease inquiry report. Now is very important, my lord. 7th January 2022. CR is put up today. My lord, there is no mention that I have appeared in that hearing.
I am afraid you have to continue on the next day. It will not be over in 5 minutes.
Next question is very important, my lord.
That's why, on the next day. Third learned counsel for the petitioner. Paragraph, let the matter appear under the same heading
Kindly make it, my lord, part heard.
on part heard, not even heard properly. 11th April.
Well, 11th April. My lord,
We have only one more week in this month.
Well, from tomorrow 31.
Yes?
From tomorrow 31 onwards. Yeah. Yes.
can it be in this month, my lord? Kindly, my
If
lord.
only the diary matters will be added.
My lord, can it be in this month, my lord? In this month, my lord, March.
Please show me when this month it can be done. We only have the next week in this month.
I'm
Yes,
suffering
mention
from my lord,
matters.
2022, my lord.